My name's Alden Morris, and today we're going to be introducing CAA's RONI stabilizer. The RONI stabilizer here in green. This is the Glock 17 model. We'll go ahead and empty the chamber out. As you can see, nice and cleared. Set this off to the side here. It's the fastest quick assembly on the market for CAA. All you have to do is put on the Ambidextrous charging handle, just like so. You're going to slide it in, it clicks. Once it clicks, it doesn't come out. You push forward, and when I click that until you see red, then it's ready to go. This one features the folding stock on the stabilizer, so you can actually close that in, fold it in. You have a Picatinny rail along the front, or along the top I mean, for accessories. If you want to put an additional flashlight on there, for example, or your optics, iron sights, things like that. There is an integral flashlight built in. You release it here by squeezing these two triggers, and it comes right up. And again, this is the Glock 17 model version, so again, if it's for Glock 17, 22, and 31 here. And then this one has ambidextrous flashlight buttons. What I do is I'm a right-handed shooter, so I have this set up for my left hand, so that way when I'm using this on the range, I hold it just like so. It's also for safety. It's got the trigger guard built in, which works pretty well, nice and solid. And you have ambidextrous thumb rest, which I've taken the right side off, as I do not put my forward hand there unless I'm going to an opposite shoulder. But most of the time I have my thumb here, which this does come off and it does adjust just like so, and can be swapped over to the other side. It does come with two, but I prefer to use one, especially because I use a reverse camera mount on this side. It does come with the sling as well. The sling attaches from underneath, just like this. Click in and you're good to go. It's adjustable, so it does fit very nicely. And yeah, that's pretty much all the features. It does have the quickest disassembly as well, which I'll show here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push down that button, you're gonna flip that back up, pull that up, you're gonna pull down these two forward buttons, and you're gonna slide your Glock back. What I do is I just pull down the ambidextrous charging handle, leave it in there like so, pull that back out, close that, push forward, and you've just disassembled your Glock from the PCC here. This is perfect for both male and female shooters. I would rank this high in the market for female shooters, specifically for home defense, because it does allow you to stabilize your firearm, your sidearm, to increase not specifically accuracy on a long range scale, but accuracy within a home when you got that fear and adrenaline and anxiety pumped up through the roof. To be able to shoulder this, which the ATF has ruled you can't shoulder your stabilizer brace, you know, down your hallway if you have an intruder coming in through the front door. For example, if a female is home alone, this is a great product to have that would ensure home defense on your sidearm that you already have if you're a female who wants a sidearm. Other than that, for male shooters, great firearm accessory to have, a lot of fun on the range. Special forces departments as well as police departments are adopting this because the 9mm round is proficient when it comes to close quarters combat in urban warfare situations, and a lot of those departments have adopted this. So for male operators who are in that scene, this is also a great firearm accessory to train with, as the chassis is great. It does come with an extended stabilizer brace, and then you have the options for the NFA RONI as well. Moving forward, there are a lot of accessories that come with this from the company itself, and then there's a lot of companies that provide accessories from their manufacturers that complement this accessory to your firearm as well, such as Beez Combat Systems PCC chest rig grid. I would greatly recommend that if you're going for high capacity magazines for the Glock RONI. Then you're going to be running those stick mags, preferably the Glock 18 OEM 33 rounds, and the PCC chest rig grid by Beez Combat Systems holds 4, so I would recommend those as well. Great product to have. Check out Beez Combat Systems, and then check out CAA's RONI stabilizer, as well as their other RONIs that they have on the market. They just came out with a new one, but once I get my hands on that, we'll review that in the future. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.